For those of us who shoot videos, sometimes it's handy to have two wireless microphones at the same time. How can we do that? Kimafun has an answer. I'll check it out coming up on ThriftyAV. Here I have two 2.4G wireless lavalier microphones. It can be hooked up to this one receiver. Wait a minute. Some of y'all like unboxings. These are already out of the box. Let's rewind this. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pretty nice case, zipper case. Okay, opening it up, it looks like I have my transmitters and receivers here. Here is one of the microphones. Here is a headset. This is a transmitter. This is the receiver. This is another transmitter. Here is another headset. Here is the other lavalier microphone. This is for connecting the Kimafun up to a laptop. It has microphone and headphone inputs here and USB connection on the other side. We have a mini plug to 1/4-inch adapter and some extra foam windscreens. Here is a clip for one of the transmitters. Here is the clip for the other transmitter. All right, this is for charging. Basically, you can charge both transmitters and the receiver off of a single USB. And here is an adapter that goes from headphones and microphone to TRRS for a telephone. And here are the full instructions, which I'm going to read before I demonstrate this product. You get so much stuff with this kit that I had to pull the camera back just to show everything. This is a lot of goodies here. Before I test this thing out, I need to charge it up. This cable is clearly marked charge, so that'll help you identify. When your transmitters and receiver are charging, you'll see these red LEDs on them. The instructions say it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge, but 1 hour later and these are ready. They must have already had some charge on them. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the protective plastic on these. Part of any good unboxing, right? Normally with these I say pair them up, but with 3 of them I'm going to say I'm going to link them up. I'm going to turn on the receiver here and I got a green light. Now I'm going to turn on both of these transmitters. That green light's flashing. Now all 3 green lights are solid. I should be able to transmit out of both of those and receive into this. I'm going to hook this up to my camera and test them out. It plugs in like so and it's locking. You screw it down and then it won't come loose. All right, let's put this on. I am wearing one of these microphones and I am holding the other one. You may notice that my voice sounds centered up. This is not a left-right pair. The receiver will take both these signals and mix them as dual mono, and that is desirable in most cases. Now if you're doing an interview and you have one person who talks louder than the other, both these transmitters have volume controls on them, so you can adjust the volume as you need for that purpose. I now have the headset plugged into one of the transmitters and this lav plugged into the other transmitter. They are both transmitting. So I want to demonstrate that you can mix and match headsets and lavaliers using this system. The capsule on this headset is unidirectional, so it'll pick up my voice while rejecting other noises around me. For this next demonstration, I've recruited my buddy Thor to jam out some beats on the keyboard. He has one of the microphones on and I have the other one on. Hit it, Thor. All right, you should hear both the keyboard and me. I'm gonna walk back a little ways. I'm hiding in the shadow of the trees back here. I'm about 50 feet away from the camera. Thor is still in the same location. If you hear both me and Thor's keyboards, then this thing's working. I am now in the back corner of my double lot backyard. I'm about 100 feet away from my camera and the receiver. If you can hear me and you can hear Thor playing the keyboards, then this thing is working at its full rated 100-foot range. I also want to point out that it's a little bit breezy out here right now, so I'm going to be curious to see how it deals with the wind noise. Thank you, Thor, for your help with that demonstration. The next thing I'm going to do is use this adapter cable and hook the receiver up to my Google Pixel 3. I'm also going to plug in headphones to monitor because I know this Google Pixel 3 records a little bit hot, and I want to listen and adjust the volume on the transmitter till I get a good signal. I decided not to use the headphones because I couldn't monitor what I was recording as I was recording it. I'm only using one of the transmitters. The volume is down, but this Google Pixel 3 records so hot that I'm lowering my voice as well. Other cameras don't record as hot with an external microphone. I don't know what the deal is with the Google Pixel 3 and external microphones. I just reviewed that footage, and that's the best an external microphone has ever sounded hooked up to my Google Pixel 3a. So I guess that's how I'm going to do it from now on. There is one more thing that came in this kit that was really, I wasn't expecting it. I thought it was a real nice bonus, and that was this USB laptop adapter. These things can cost between $10 and $15 on their own, and this one just came with it unexpectedly. So let's hook this up to my laptop, plug the Kimafun into it, and see how well it records. I now have the Kimafun wireless transmitter hooked up with just one of the transmitters, not both of them. I have the receiver hooked up to the adapter on the laptop. I'm recording a mono track using Audacity. What you're hearing is that mono track. You're not hearing me through my camera. You're hearing me through this WAV file that I'm recording on Audacity. And this is what it sounds like. On playback, I did hear a slight bit of hum with the Kimafun plugged into this adapter, which is plugged into my laptop. I did not hear hum on any prior tests, so I do not think it was the Kimafun. It is either this adapter or my laptop causing that issue. Well, this concludes my review of the Kimafun dual wireless microphone set. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.